Hello there. In this video we're going to look at the new website page for the Apple iPhone 15 Pro. The reason I wanted to look at this is because every time Apple do a release of a new phone or a new product, the product pages and the way that they're structured are always really engaging, and you can probably take some inspiration away from these for yourself when you're designing out web pages or websites. So let's have a look. So the first thing that you land on is a nice big hero image at the top. It's highlighting what the phone's made of. It's made of titanium, as it says here. They obviously want you to pre-order, so you've got your call to action here, and you've got some of the prices as well below. Okay, so let's start scrolling and see what they come up with. So we've got watch the film, we've got watch the event, we've got information about the A17 Pro chip. Ooh, we've got a nice carousel that's moving, so we've got some information here about the titanium. Longest optical zoom, which is nice. I like the interaction element here. So the carousel, so it's got the 3 different stages, and I'm guessing this part here is the loading. I guess if we press play, that takes us back to the beginning and it resets it, and as you can see, that element there is loading, and then it moves on to the next element. So it looks really great. Okay, so let's continue moving down. So take a closer look. So now we have a new element pop up here, so we can toggle the color, which is quite nice. Let's stick with this color. You can trigger, the second size, so 6.1 or 6.7. And if you click and drag with the mouse, you can actually play around with the prototype of the new iPhone. So this is a really great way when you create a prototype that people can interact with on the website. They can really kind of poke around and see what the product's about, the sizing, the features, and what it looks like. So that's really good. So let's keep moving. Explore the full story. So forged in titanium. So let's see. So we've got some more interactive pictures here. As I scroll, some of these elements are still moving. So if I click on this plus here, okay, that's quite nice. So it brings up a nice video. Scroll down, more information about the titanium, more information about the finish. I really like it when they do this expanded version of the phone, so you can see what's actually going on inside it as well. And we've got some information here about, its resistance to water and dust. I really like the way you've got the icons and the nice headings, and then within the actual content itself, they're highlighting some of the key information, so it really stands out. Okay, so let's continue to scroll. Some more product shots here. And that looks to be it for this modal pop-up that's just come up. So let's close that. Okay, so back into the website. So A17 Pro chip. We have a nice cool video here. Let's go deeper on the A17 Pro. So it gives us some more information on the chip. Again, 2-column grid layout. We've got some really nice contrast going on here, so it's again highlighting the key bits of information of the design. And that's it for this page, so let's close that. So let's go on to the camera. Hi, it's Mitch. Thanks for getting this far in the video. Be awesome if you could like or subscribe or add some comments, as this really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, thanks again, and back to the video. Okay, zoom in on the cameras, so let's click on that. Really nice clear images here. 48 megapixel camera, very nice. Again, some of the key information's highlighted here. Let's go through. It's giving us different shots, different examples. Nicely laid out as you kind of scroll, these different interactive elements pop up as well. Really clear images. Also the product being used as well, so an example inside an iPhone mock-up as well, which is nice. and the Pro being used in different situations. And we've got another product video here showing the phone being used. And we're getting into the spatial videos with the Apple Vision Pro here, so there's an example of that in use. And it's detailing here how you can shoot things on the iPhone 15 Pro and they can be viewed on your Apple Vision Pro. So kind of selling you two different things here and how they integrate. Right, let's close that down. Let's keep going on the website. So it looks like we've got another carousel here, but a slightly different style. So I can click myself. And this is just example shots of, that's the ultra wide, the main camera. Yeah, that's another camera shot from the main. And I guess they're just changing. So yeah, 28mm, 35, 48, and so on. Also very easy to kind of skip through this carousel as well. Okay, so more information about the camera. Okay, let's have a look what else we have. So it's doing more examples here of the zoom. Geek out on telephoto. Okay, also a nice big image to start with. Let's scroll down. So it's giving us an example of how the camera is working and how that lens in particular is working. That looks quite cool. And then I'm sure this will be another example coming up of some of the pictures, how to use it. Okay, so that's the end of that modal. Let's close that down. Let's keep going. So we've got the new action button here, so you can assign that to your favorite feature. We've got a different interactive element here on the website, so you can kind of toggle through the different examples and it's reflected in the screenshot, which is really nice. Let's keep scrolling down. How it integrates and how it connects with your Mac. So it's showing you that you can shoot video directly to an external storage device, which is quite handy. More information about the connections here, and that's that. Okay, let's keep going because these product pages are really long. Okay, we've got some information on battery life. Nice example here of a mock-up of the iPhone. So key information here about video playback. Quite like these little interactive elements that pop up. Emergency SOS on your iPhone. Crash detection, so it's giving us more information about the features. Let's close that down. So some more information here about what iPhone stands for. Again, nicely set out. Nice 2-column grid. Nice and clear on this dark background with the kind of the grey standard text and the white that really stands out. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, so iOS 17, so more information about the operating system. And then some information about related products. So your iPhone and your Mac, your iPhone and your Apple Watch, and your iPhone and your AirPods. And I guess information on how these work together. And then ways to shop, so ways of you purchasing this product. I guess information on how you can get it or pick it up. And then keep exploring the iPhone. So obviously at the end you want people to click through to a call to action. So you've got learn more or pre-order. You've got some pricing, you've got the different colors here, and you've got all the key information here, and you've got to compare all the iPhone models. Call to action here as well. And then that's it. We get to the bottom and it gives us the kind of lineup for the iPhone. And we're into the footer and we're done. So overall, a really engaging product page. I'm sure there's a lot of things that you can take from this page in terms of interactions and the way the elements are set out, and you could utilize these in your designs for new ideas for product pages or websites that you're coming up with in the future. So I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, add some comments, and I will see you in the next video.